Welcome back to Bucket List Adventures, you lot. You think you're ready for this? Today we're not just exploring the world, we're blowing the bloody doors off it with Food Fusion 2025. We're talking about taking amazing flavors from different cultures, chucking them in a pot, and creating something so mind-blowingly delicious, you'll be licking the plate clean. Are you ready to get your hands dirty and impress yourself? Let's get cooking. Welcome back to Bucket List Adventures, where we explore the world through food, travel, and culture. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Food Fusion 2025, combining flavors from different cultures to create 3 unique recipes you can try at home. Ready to impress your taste buds? Let's get started. Listen up, you Muppets. First up, we're taking a trip to Korea and Mexico. No plane ticket needed. We're making Korean-Mexican tacos, and believe me, these are not your average street tacos. We're talking about a flavor explosion that will rock your world. First, grab yourself some thinly sliced beef. None of that pre-packaged rubbish, get the good stuff. Now, we're going to give it a good rub down with soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, a touch of sugar, some minced garlic, and a good whack of ginger. This is your marinade, your secret weapon to juicy, flavorful bulgogi. Let that soak in while we get the rest ready. Next, kimchi. That beautiful, spicy, fermented cabbage is going to add a real kick to these tacos. Make your own or grab some from your local Korean market, I don't judge. Just make sure it's good quality. Now the tortillas. Soft corn tortillas are the way to go here. Warm them up just a bit so they're pliable and ready to hold all that delicious filling. Alright, back to the beef. Get your pan screaming hot, a drizzle of oil, and sear that beef until it's caramelized and begging for mercy. We want it nice and brown on the outside, pink and juicy on the inside. Now the moment of truth, grab a tortilla, pile on that beautiful bulgogi, a generous scoop of kimchi, and to top it all off, a drizzle of gochujang mayo. That's right, gochujang mayo, it's the perfect blend of spicy, savory, and a touch of sweetness. One bite of these tacos and you'll be transported to Flavor Town. You'll be thanking me later. Now stop drooling and get cooking. Alright, you donkeys, are you ready for round 2? This time we're taking our taste buds on a trip to Italy and Japan with Italian-Japanese sushi rolls. Now before you start with the sushi is sushi nonsense, hear me out. This is fusion, not confusion. First things first, sushi rice. If you can't make decent sushi rice, you might as well pack up your knives and go home. Rinse that rice until the water runs clear, cook it to perfection, and let it cool slightly. Now, the nori. Those beautiful sheets of seaweed are the foundation of our sushi rolls. Lay them out flat and get ready to build. Here's where things get interesting. Instead of raw fish, we're using prosciutto. That's right, Italian prosciutto. Thinly sliced, salty, and bursting with flavor. Lay it down on your nori, followed by a smear of creamy, tangy cream cheese. Next, fresh basil leaves. Don't be shy with these, they add a beautiful freshness that cuts through the richness of the prosciutto and cream cheese. Now, roll those bad boys up tight. You want a nice compact roll that won't fall apart when you slice it. Use a sharp knife and a gentle sawing motion to get those perfect bite-sized pieces. Finally, the finishing touch, a drizzle of balsamic glaze. That sweet and tangy glaze adds a touch of sophistication and brings all the flavors together. There you have it, Italian-Japanese sushi rolls. They're savory, they're creamy, they're unexpected, and they're bloody delicious. Alright, you've made it to the final round. Now let's turn up the heat and spice things up with some Indian-American spiced burgers. These are not your average backyard burgers. These are flavor bombs that will blow your socks off. First, the meat. Ground beef is the classic choice, but feel free to use ground lamb or even a plant-based alternative. Now here's where the magic happens, the spice blend. We're talking garam masala, turmeric, cumin, and a good pinch of chili powder. Mix it all up with your meat, and get ready for a flavor explosion. Form your patties, nice and thick, and get your grill screaming hot. We want those burgers seared on the outside, juicy and flavorful on the inside. Now forget your boring old burger buns. We're using naan bread, that's right, soft, fluffy naan bread. Warm it up on the grill for a few seconds and get ready to assemble. While the burgers are working their magic, let's whip up a batch of raita. This refreshing yogurt cucumber sauce is the perfect accompaniment to our spiced burgers. It's cool, it's creamy, and it cuts through the heat beautifully. Alright, burgers are done, naan is warm, raita is ready. Let's build this masterpiece. Place your juicy burger on a piece of naan, top it with a generous dollop of raita, and get ready for a flavor journey to India and back. These Indian-American spice burgers are bold, flavorful, and guaranteed to have you licking your fingers. They're so good you might just find yourself craving them every week. Don't say I didn't warn you. There you have it, you bunch of foodies. 3 incredible fusion dishes that'll have you cooking like a pro in no time. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't be shy to share your culinary triumphs. If you enjoyed this flavor-packed adventure, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Bucket List Adventures for more culinary chaos, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep cooking. And there you have it, 3 incredible food fusion recipes that celebrate cultures from around the world. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your foodie friends, and subscribe to Bucket List Adventures for more exciting recipes, travel guides, and cultural adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.